How to add and edit users. Under the Users label, you'll see a list of all the users on your team. From here, you can edit, delete, or add a user. To edit a user, click the Edit link in the User row to open the Edit screen. On this screen, you can change details such as the username, first name, password, or email address. You can also resend the login details to the new user's email address. This is helpful if someone leaves your organization and you want to give their new or updated login details to someone else without adding an additional seat. You can also update your QR code prefix on this page. The prefix is a 4-character mix of letters and numbers that forms the unique ID for every QR code your organization creates. By default, the system assigns a random prefix, but you're free to change it to something more branded or memorable. For example, our business is called Xcan It. We might switch the prefix to Scan. This small tweak has big advantages. Brand recognition at a glance. Your internal teams instantly know the code belongs to your organization, not a supplier or another branch. Cleaner organization and faster searches. A consistent prefix makes it easier to organize, track, and locate codes across your dashboard, especially when you're managing hundreds of QR codes. Once updated, just click Save, and all newly created QR codes will use your custom prefix automatically.
Clicking the Save Changes button will also take you back to the user page.
To add a new user, click the Add User button. You will be prompted to add a new user with a link to our payment gateway. At this point, you can set up the new user so they appear on your dashboard. Now, when you click Add User, you can enter the new user's details. It's just like editing a user's details, but when you click Save, an email is sent to the new user with the email listed so that they can access their own dashboard.